it's Candy here, and today it's Crystal here, and today, sorry about the noise. It's put that out. So today, why do I just do it the way that I feel so stupid right now, guys? No. Next day, getting long. Truck to sexy. Oh yeah, that's right. Sure, let's get it done. So today I'm going to show you how to make a clock. So first of all, you're going to need it's really hard to say, but yeah. So first we're going to need some doors and some slabs. So I'm not gonna use those doors because they're too cliche. So going to no wash my lip. No. Okay, no wash my lip. Whip. Nothing. So then you got bars. And bars. So then we go upstairs. So if you want, you could use a regular clock. You could use a regular clock if you wanted to, but I'm not going to do that. So
No, one that says she's country. Oh, dude, she's country then. Easy or medium? Easy or medium?
So, dang it, I have nowhere to put it. For so let me just. So I'm just gonna use some diamonds, and we're gonna go like this and make a wall. Just one simple wall. Okay, there you go. So get that out of my inventory. So then you're going to take your doors, and you're going to do this. So then you go this way. So then you. Do I got the item frames? I was like, do I got the item frames? Then you take your oak wood slab and you just. What the hell? My freaking doors. This is not going how I wanted it to. I fixed it. What the hell? What the hell? Okay. What the heck? What the heck's happening here? So, okay, good. So you make sure they go this way. So then you take your item frame. I just heard I just saw this happen on my screen. What the heck? So then you take this, and then you take this. Oh, crap. I don't think this is going how I wanted it to. Then you go like this. I think I did this wrong. So I think it's reverse. So I think it's reverse. So you do this. Then now let's see how that looks. Oh my god, I'm just making it look super weird right now. Now, then you take your clocks and you put them like this, and you go, and it's perfect. So that's how you make a clock, a groundhog clock. And there you go. So, yeah, that's it for today, guys. Bye. So, that is all for today, guys. I hope you liked this episode of Creations. And if you don't like it, if I put all of them in one episode, sorry. Bye-bye. Wait, no. No, we gotta it. Now we gotta nay. Oh my gosh. Bye, guys.